Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be diving into another Ipsy mystery bag. This one is called DEWY Days and it is supposed to have 6 items inside of it, which I do feel like when they do 6 items instead of the traditional 5 items per bag, it typically is a better deal. And usually I like them a little bit more. It's not always a guarantee. That's the hard part, is it's still risky to buy these, but usually the odds are a little bit better. So like I said, we are diving into the DEWY Days mystery bag. This glam bag is going to have 6 sample-sized products inside of it. Now, if you guys would like to purchase this bag, I will be posting a link down below for you. That way you guys can purchase this one directly. Keep in mind, it is a mystery bag, so they could vary from bag to bag. Usually, my experience is that they will mostly be the same. We may have the same items, and then occasionally when they sell out of like one item, they'll substitute it with something else. But typically, we're gonna have almost identical bags. But I always just give you guys a heads up in case you received something completely different. There is no guarantee made by Ipsy that we will have the matching ones. That's just my experience. So this is what the bag itself looks like for DEWY Days. I feel like we've had this glam bag before. I want to say this is like a June glam bag from like 2022 or something like that. I can't remember exactly where I've seen this. I don't know if it was a previous mystery bag, but we have definitely had this bag before. So I don't hate the bag. I think it's very cute, but I just know that I've already seen it, or I'm having the worst case of deja vu. So the bag itself is very thin, and that's one thing that I don't love about this is I do feel like it's going to be easy to rip this or scratch it, but I think it's really pretty and it looks nice for summer. You've got this bright iridescent look. It's definitely fun. I like seeing all the different colors on here. So I do think it's a really cute bag, but like I said, it's just incredibly thin. I mean, even when I look inside, the lining is see-through, so it just doesn't feel like it's gonna hold up well long term. So first item inside of our glam bag is the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. This is 15 ml of product, so already I have to hand it to Ipsy that we at least have enough product to use here. I mean, it's not like it's 4 ml of product, so that's a good thing. This product is supposed to be a nourishing face cream that has pink lotus inside of it. It also has peptides that will help to brighten, depuff, and visibly firm your skin after using this one. So you want to make sure that your skin is dry and clean, and then you're going to apply this cream afterwards. I don't think this one's terrible. It's what I would expect in a sample bag, so yeah, I think this one's decent. The next item that we have in here is First Aid Beauty. I will definitely be using this. This is their deep cleanser. This cleanser has red clay in it, which is what makes it a little bit different than their traditional cleanser. They have another face cleanser that I use all the time. This one has the clay that helps to draw those impurities to the surface of your skin. So that's why it's your deeper cleanser. Now we have here 1 ounce or 28 grams. Love that there's a lot of product here. This one will help to remove oil and unclog your pores. It's safe for sensitive skin as well. I love this one. I love the brand. I like that it's a good size. You get a lot of product here. Honestly, this is really good for this glam bag. So far, so good. Now I'm like getting excited. Like, okay, let's do this, Ipsy. So next item is from Farah. This is an eyeshadow primer, but oh my gosh, you guys. There's like hardly any product in here. It looks like a good size tube, but I mean, I can see through the sunlight where the product actually is. It starts at this letter A, like right here. So from here to here is all you have for product. All of this up top is just empty packaging. Like all of this is just empty, which honestly, I mean, that's more than half of the tube is empty. So this eyeshadow primer is cruelty-free. It's 5 ml of product. There's not a lot in here, honestly. There's very little. I know you don't need a lot of product for an eyeshadow primer, but this does seem excessively small. So primers are great if you want to put them down first and then build your makeup over top of it. It will help to prevent creasing and fallout throughout the day. I use eyeshadow primer every time I'm using eyeshadow. So I have a primer on today. I use the Viseart primer because I think it works really well, but I've not tried this one out before, so I will try it and we'll see what it's like. I'm just a little disappointed that there's so little product in this. Next item that we have is from Gloss Modern. This is good size, you guys. Clean Luxury Hair Mask. This one is 1 ounce or 30 mil. See, this is great. If we could have sizes like this, I would be so excited all the time. So this hair mask is designed to give you a shine after using it. It's also going to add moisture to your hair as well. They want you to keep this on for at least 5 minutes, but you could do longer if you needed to. But it will give you a bit of a gloss afterwards, so your hair will have a little bit of a shine to it. But it's vegan, it's sulfate-free and paraben-free as well, cruelty-free, and honestly, the ingredients look pretty good too. This one is good, and I love that we have a full ounce here. Product number 5, I think, is a full-size product. This is from Scone. Is that it? S-K-O-N-E? Scone? Scone? I don't know. It sounds too much like the food. I'm like, this must be pronounced differently. But I think it's a full-size product. So this is their Luxe Lip Liner, and it's in the shade Cosmo. So this is what it looks like. I mean, tell me that's not full size. It looks really good. And then here's our Cosmo shade, which is just like a nude pink color. So honestly, this is exciting that we have a full-size product in here. 1.5 grams or 0.05 ounce. So I'll have to look it up to double check, but I think this is full size, just looking at it. So far, I'm really pleased with this bag. The sizes, like finally, Ipsy, you're doing what we've all been saying, is that the samples have gotten to be so ridiculously small to actually have enough product here to try them out. That's all we're asking for. Okay, so now we're up to product number 6, which actually is 2 of them. This is from Aceology, and it is their Hydro Glow and Energizing Eye Mask, but we have 2 eye masks here, so technically it's like 6 and 7 products that we receive because you do have 2 of them. So this will be your masks here, and like I said, they are for your eye area. This is supposed to give you a brightening effect underneath your eyes. They are cruelty-free and vegan as well. There is green tea inside of these, so it will help to energize and give you caffeine for this area. So that way you can take down puffiness, you could also get rid of dark circles, and then like I said, ultimately brighten up that under eye area. Say that 3 times fast. I do like the Aceology masks a lot. I feel like they work really well, and I do enjoy doing eye masks, especially when I'm getting ready in the morning. They're just easy to put on and I can still do other things. So I will definitely use these. So that is everything inside of the DEWY Days mystery bag from Ipsy. Gotta say, not that bad. I mean, honestly, I'm always skeptic with these mystery bags, but I will use everything in this mystery bag today. Like every single product I will use. The only one I was disappointed about was the one that only had 5 ml of product. And that's just because it's so small. I wish we would have double that just to really try it out. But I love the brands that we're seeing, and the fact that we have a full-size product made this even better. So for once, I mean, hallelujah, I can recommend this mystery bag. So if you guys are interested in purchasing, like I said, I do have a link listed down below for you. This is still in stock as of the timing of this video, and it's still being advertised with these same brand names. So I would assume you would get the same mystery bag that I just showed you guys here, maybe with like 1 item being different. But comment down below, we'll chit chat all about it. And until next time, you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!